Hi there. My name is Danny, and I'm a dolphin. I live in the big blue ocean, full of fish, coral, and starfish. It's an amazing place, but do you know what my biggest dream is? I want to fly. Yes, you heard that right. I want to soar through the sky like the seagulls that circle above the waves. When I told my friends about my dream, they laughed at me. Dolphins can't fly, Danny. That's impossible, they said. But I told them, has anyone ever tried? Every day I watched the birds. How they spread their wings and catch the wind. If only I had wings like that, I thought. One day, I decided to give it a try. I jumped out of the water as high as I could, but splash, right back into the waves. Maybe I need to change my approach, I thought. The next day, I found some light seaweed and tied it to my fins, pretending they were wings. Okay, Danny, let's try this again. I told myself and leaped out of the water. For a moment, I felt like I was flying, but then the seaweed slipped off and I landed back in the water. I started thinking, if I can't fly like the birds, maybe I can find my own way to fly. And then one day, I saw a motorboat in the distance. It left a big wave behind it. That's when I had an idea. I swam toward the wave and jumped right into it. Wow! I flew through the air farther than ever before. Wow, my friends cheered as they watched. You did it, Danny. And it was true, I had found my own way to fly. Now, whenever I see a boat, I get ready to leap. It's not exactly like the birds, but for me, it's pure magic. What about you? What's your big dream? Even if someone says it's impossible, remember, there's always a way to make it happen. If you could be any animal and do something amazing, what would it be? Share your thoughts in the comments. I can't wait to hear from you.